The next topic is the calculation of median with the help of graphic method. So it shows the graphical location of the median. So for the purpose of calculating these ogives, so graphically where we calculate the median, we have two methods. First, we can solve the questions with the help of less than series, or we can solve the question with the help of more than series. So if any question in a simple format has been given to you, so either you can convert the question into less than question and then plot the points on the graph, or you can make the question as a more than question and then we can plot the points on the graph. So with the help of one example, let us see how the question is converted into less than and more than. So it is a practical example in which wages have been given and a frequency have been given, and it is written that you have to plot the median graphically. You have to solve the question graphically. So let us first start with the less than type of ogive. So we will convert these wages into less than wages. So it will be less than 10. Just take the upper limits. Less than 20. Less than 30. Less than 40. 50, 60, 70 and 80. So this is how wages will be written, and this F will be ultimately converted into CF. It will become cumulative frequency because this has been converted into less than. So it will be 4 plus 6 10 plus 10 20 30 55 77 95 and 100. Now after calculating the CF, the next step is to plot these points on graph. Now we are preparing less than ogive. So here we will show our wages. The class interval are shown on the x-axis, and on the y-axis the frequency is shown. So anything that has been given will be the frequency. So now we will see that wages are increasing at the difference of 10. So we can make the points 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. Then the cumulative frequency will be plotted here. So here also we can take the difference of 10 10 depending upon the frequency, because we can say that we have to move till 100. So we can take the graph above. So like this we can plot our values. Now plotting the points, first is the value less than 10 is 4. So we can plot the point here. Next is 10 here. Next is 20. We can plot here. Next is 30. 30 will be somewhere here. Next is 55. So 55 will be here. Next is 77 here. And next is 95. 95 will be somewhere here, and last will be 100. So like this we will be plotting the points on this graph. So now we will join all these values. So we have to join from the 0 point, and with the help of scale you can join all these points, and you will see it will always have an increasing trend because the data has been converted into a less than data. So you will always see that it is an increasing trend. Now the first step you have seen, convert the series into less than series. Second step, plot the points on the graph. Now third step is the calculation of n by 2. So in your below your graph you can make this calculation. So our median is size of n by 2th item. This we have seen in case of every question. So here in this question n is 100. 100 by 2 is 50th item. So now we will plot this point. This is our n. So it means our frequency. So now what we will do, we will just draw a simple straight line from this 50 that we have calculated. 50 straight line on which will be touching the ogive, and we will draw a perpendicular direct below here on the wages. Now finally you have to read this value on the graph. How much is the value? So here I can see from the graph you will be getting, this will be cutting at the point 48. So in this question median comes out to be 48. Now the second method for the drawing of ogive can be, we can convert the series into more than series. So for the purpose of calculating the more than series, it will be first will be more than 0 because it will be more than 0, 0 to 10, then more than 10, more than 20, more than 30, more than 40, 50, 60 and 70. In less than we have gone till 80 because that was less than. In case of more than, the first interval is more than 10, so it will go till 70. Now let us convert the frequency into the CF. Now it will be starting with the total because it is more than series. When you will add the frequencies, it will be 100. Now next 100 minus 4, 96. 96 minus 10, sorry 96 minus 6 will be 90. 90 minus 10, 80. 80 minus 10, 70. Minus 25 is 45. Like this we will calculate, and till 70 you will be getting these values. So if we have to plot again more than this, if we want to plot on the graph, so next value will be 0 because it has been covered 100 over here. Now next task will be same. We have to plot these points on the graph. Now it will be a more than ogive. Same will be the case. We will be putting the wages data over here and frequency over here. Again we will plot the values. Then you will see the ogive will be in this shape. Earlier we have seen that ogive was going from left to right. Now the ogive will be in this shape when you will plot all these values, because from 100 we are coming down to 0, right? So like this your plot will be there. Then with the same way as we have seen, median's formula will be applied. The formula is n by 2th item. Here n is 100. 100 by 2, 50th item. We will just take the 50 point from here, draw a straight line, draw a perpendicular over here, and you will see that same median 48 you will be getting on your graphs. Now one more thing I would like to add here is, now in some questions, in every question rather, you can just make use of this technique. If you do not want to calculate n by 2, you can draw both the ogives on one graph. Like as you have seen in case of our question, we have drawn first ogive like this. This is a less than ogive. Then we have drawn a more than ogive like this. This is a more than ogive. So where these two ogives cut, this is also a point of median. So when you will draw perpendicular from here, again you will see median will be 48 in this question. So either you can go with one less than or more than, or you can draw both the ogives in one graph and you can reach at the median value.